Hi and welcome to my channel. It is March 18th, 2023 where I am at, and it's about almost 1 o'clock in the morning. I was YouTubing, kind of lost track of time, and I have gone back to my old camera stand and I don't have the right lighting going on, but hopefully you'll be able to see everything here. It might get a little wobbly. The other stand I was using just doesn't adjust well. So this is the purse that my daughter wanted me to recreate a pattern for her so she could sew this in her favorite fabric. Did not go two-tone on the back, went solid on the back. Got rid of the curves here because it just didn't like the way it looked. I didn't like the way it looked and she agreed with me. Have the zipper pocket in the front. We don't have the double zipper zip, so we just went with a single. But you can see on the inside, first of all, it is two pouches connected together in the middle. And when I first tried it, complete fail, and I did film another video on that. Well, I wouldn't say complete fail. I learned a lot from it. So it has an inset pocket. I did not make the inset pocket go all the way across as wide on this one, although we could have. It has slip pockets on this side, and then where the bag's attached together, there's another deep pocket on that one. So this was what we were trying to recreate. I'll put that back there. She bought that somewhere. I don't know where. And then this was my first attempt, which I did film a video on, so I won't talk too much about it. Just went into the project blocked. I mean, basic things I got wrong, but too wide to begin with. I did opt on, I asked her if she wanted to box the bottom on them, so we did box the bottoms on them. I learned a lot from this bag, but it's definitely not that bag, or even close to that bag. Didn't sew them together, flappity. Anyway, I went into most of it with the other one, but I mean, I didn't even line the pocket, which was basic. Just could not get my head wrapped around it on that one. So this was the first attempt. And like I said, not a complete fail because I did learn from it. So went back to the drawing board, watched some videos, thanks to YouTube. And I will put a link below to the video that was the most helpful because this bag is put together in that same way. I have made, it's essentially two zipper pouches that you sew together, and I've done it before, but God, I could not connect with it for some reason when I was trying to design this one. So here is the, not final, here's the prototype bag. So I used, it's very soft, I used SF101, the Shape Flex, to do it, and so it's very, very soft bag. I like it. I don't think it matters if, I'll show you in a minute what my daughter created, and she used Pelon 808-809 on hers, and I'll show you the difference on that. But so we did get a final product out of it. It did work. So two different panels on the front, zipper pouch lined on the inside. Hopefully you can see that. It might get too dark, and I'm sorry, I'm playing with my lighting. Did go with a solid back piece, nixed the curve, and I think it looks a lot better without the curve. So it goes straight across. Might have gotten away with a curve on hers because she used a stiffer interfacing, but it just did not work for me on the other one, so I nixed it because I didn't like the way that looked. Attached on the side with the extended strap. So there's a strap with a strap that goes up, and then your actual strap attaches to it. It has a long zipper, so it will open up wider. There is the zipper on the inside, but I added another one inside on the inside piece here because I wanted to see, I mean, I was playing with it anyways, I wanted to see if I could do it. So I just added one here. I figured if I could add it on one side, I could eventually, if I wanted to, add it on the other side, which I didn't do. Although I did put a tab in here. I don't think I wrote that into the pattern, which doesn't matter. My daughter loves tabs. I love tabs. My daughter really loves tabs. And then slip pockets here. So I think it came out pretty cute. I think those are all the features. It has an adjustable strap, and there it is. So that was the prototype, and she did a bag that I thought was right next to me, and now I can't find it. Okay, well, we'll have to do, oh, I know where it is. Oh, hold, give me 1 second. Sorry about that, bad filming. So here is the bag that she did. And again, she did SF, no, I did SF 101. She did Pellon 808, 809 in her bag. Actually, she did both, because we started off with the SF 101, and then I was showing her how squishy this bag is and how soft this one is, and I was asking if she wanted it stiffer, and she did. So she's added the 808 on top of the SF 101. We could have taken the SF 101 off, but I opted for reasons not to do that. So her bag holds up a lot better because it's got that stiffer interfacing on it. Really nice, works really nicely with this inside piece. Like on mine, on that prototype, I might go with a snap in the middle to give it a little more bulk, because mine's so soft. But she has the zipper pocket here, and she put the zipper pocket on hers on this side in the middle. So it's there. Opens in the center. And there's a tab right there. She stuck a tab right in the middle. Hopefully you can see that. There's also, I think, there are tabs hidden everywhere in here. So she has the zip pocket. There's one in the zip pocket on this side. And let me see. Let's just peek and see. Is there one in here? Okay, not one on the inside of this zip pocket. Oh, wait. Yep, there it is. Tab on this one too. Like I said, she loves those tabs. I love them too. I think they're great. They don't get in the way, so it doesn't hurt to add them to a bag. And then if you need them, you can always create like a zipper pouch and put a hook on it, and you can hook it right on there. You don't have to worry about losing it out of your bag. But she's got a tab here. We didn't put one in here. She has these slip pockets here, which she did. A big pocket with a little pocket. Mine is divided in the center, and I told her it was kind of awkwardly small, so she decided to make it big and little. And then when I wrote down my notes, I notated that I wanted to make that pocket bigger if we sew this bag again. So here's her outside pocket, and yet another tab. So really, really cute. And she cut it out. I left the pattern on the mock-up with all my notes on it on what sizes to cut out, and she started cutting it out, and she has trouble remembering to pay attention to the direction in the fabric. So the outside piece is actually 11.5 tall by 11 wide, and it was easy enough to change the bigger pieces if there was a mistake there, because it was just a 1/2 inch difference. That just made the bag a little shorter. But on the smaller pieces like this, you just go with it, and it's still super cute, even though the pieces are not in the right direction. But so we got really, really great in here. Some of the inside pieces, like the pocket, not in the right direction, but super, super, super cute. I think the pattern worked out really nice. She's happy with it, and that, in the long run, is all that matters on that one. So there it is. There they are, the original design that we were basing the pattern off of, the first attempt, the prototype, and the final bag. So I hope you like it. It looks like, oh, look, she's already made the zipper pouch to go in it on that one. So she made a zipper pouch, and she actually made a Kleenex pouch, which is a pattern we've sewn tons and tons of times, and I need to modify it because it's not great. But she really likes to sew that one, and it works well. It's just one of those things, you want to go back to the drawing board and make it better. And so I hope you like this. I hope you like the video, and Thanks for watching, and I hope that wherever and whenever you are at, you are having a great time. Thanks again. Bye.